So brothers, it's 10 a.m. in the night, and me and Mithu Bhaiya and everybody came from Dubai in the Fortuner, and Roshni forgot to take out my inhaler and Veer's inhaler. I mean, you guys know I'm an asthmatic and Veer's was an asthmatic, but the inhaler has been forgotten in the car, the Fortuner, and the car is with Mithu Bhaiya right now. I don't feel like calling him because he's worked hard the whole day with us, and he's got to get up in the morning at 2:30 and come and pick up Roshni and Samriddhi because they're going to India tomorrow to get the remaining stuff and sorting out a couple of things in India. So since I don't have the inhaler for me and Veer, I'm going on this cycle again in the night to get the inhaler from the pharmacy shop. So you guys are seeing Alhambra village in the night as well now. It's absolutely empty and shant and completely peaceful. The bike light is on. That's the lagoon. It's going to be difficult staying away from the family, yeah, you know, because Samriddhi and Roshni are going tomorrow. So it's going to be me, Veer, Nitin and Mithu Bhaiya only, and Didi who works in our house help. Also, we don't treat our people like the house help or the people in the house as servants, man. They're supposed to be treated as common humans that you spend your life with. They must be downtrodden, but they're not your slaves, and that's the main key difference. So yes, I'm off to the pharmacy. You've been there. Oh no, you've not been there with me before in a vlog. I sent it to my sister in Delhi, my cousin, and she really liked it, but you can see it right now. This is Hamra in the night. I don't know how the Meta Class are capturing it. Maybe it's pixelated, maybe it's not. I also see a lot of comments coming in saying, you know, they can't see my face and maza nahi aa raha, by people aren't enjoying watching the Meta vlogs, the POV vlogs, but that's the different thing, yeah. But not to worry, even landscape vlogs are coming from tomorrow morning, you know. Do not have to worry at all. Tatvaka Style Baby at your service. Also, I've thought about a lot of things for this channel, yeah. So like I was saying, brothers and sisters from the hood, I have decided a lot of topics to discuss, a lot of things that I think I have expertise on, such as decentralized finance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto. I mean the whole subset of decentralized finance, music industry know-how, you know, AI, definitely AI tools and structuring, and not generic, like really serious sort of stuff that saves you money and you can use to go further in your careers and develop a career even further. And of course, sound healing and sound therapy and wellness, biohacking, which is the most important thing. We all want a great life and we all want to live long and sleep well and without any issues, longevity and stuff like that. And also my most important thing that I believe in is manifestation, you know. I'm way deep into it, yeah. Since 2004 I've been manifesting, and it's worked out more or less. But it's not what you think. It's not the secret only. I'm talking about serious level, in-depth, parasympathetic and sympathetic brain waves that lead to your desired outcome. It's not feel, believe and receive and just think and you'll make it kind of bullcrap. Serious manifestation techniques. Learn from Joe Dispenza. I read him every day. And by the way, in the next couple of minutes, a couple of seconds, we would. And by the way, we just reached the pharmacy in a jiffy. Here we go. कैसे हैं? എന്താണ്? 4 सल्बटामोल इनहेलर जो दिया था आपने उस दिन मेरे को, बहुत बढ़िया था. हाँ वेंट्रोलिन से अच्छा है ये. कितने का वेंट्रोलिन है ये वाला? नहीं वो वाला, ये तो पता है मेरे को, वो वाला. हाँ 46. दिस इज बेटर या, एंड नो साइड इफेक्ट्स एंड नो स्टेरॉइड्स. I got the inhaler. Sherry, Uru Minte Abdavadu. All good? Cheta? Cheta. Oh, push, sorry. I know a little bit of Malayalam, man. Malayalam. എന്താണ് സുഖം ശരി ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് എവിടെ വിടൂ ചേട്ടാ is like big brother in Malayalam. So anyway, I got the inhalers and I'm going back home. Veer is standing outside because he was worried. कि रात को in the night I'm going to get the inhalers. What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. To provide for the family and for himself and for his kin and next of kin. Yeah. Russell Khaimah in the night is even more peaceful. I quite like it here, yeah. So Roshni and Samrit are going to India tomorrow for sorting out a lot of things. She wanted me to go, but I refused. I said, I'm not going to leave this beautiful place and go to India. Not that I don't love India, I love India to my core. But I got to settle down here, man, and there are things that are happening here. Things that require my presence. My new bank accounts, business bank accounts have opened here. I got Tammy and Tamara subscriptions happening. Nitin has just sorted his mess out. Nitin has just sorted his life out. Gil and everything is working well. And also, I think I should be able to get the car in the next 3 to 4 days max. It's a cool car, man, that I finalized. Cabriolet. Basically, in simple words, convertible. So let's see how it shapes up. My birthday is on 6th of July, and this is the first time that not the first time, but it's happened in the past as well, but my wife and my daughter are not going to be with me on my birthday, but that's okay. That's absolutely okay. Anybody can build whatever they want to build in today's times, man. That's how it is. The world is a free space. You have AI. If you have an idea, if you have the know-how, and if you have a little know-how as well, and if you have, I mean, I have great know-how in this space, but if you have a little know-how and you want to build things, you can, as long as you proof check them and you don't swindle away your money. And that's the most important thing, yo. So I'm getting back home. I'm almost a kilometer away from home. I should reach safely and not fall this time. And that's why this cycle is extremely helpful, because in emergency it can help for us to get around, for me to get around and do things. But yes, in the next 3-4 days I should get the car back in. A new car. Yeah, Cabriolet. Let's see. So then guys, you guys have a great day. This was just another vlog. I had to get out to get the inhalers, and I just thought I'll vlog with my Meta glasses. The more the content, the better it is, right? Actually, wrongly put. The more the connect, the better it is, right? I've restarted vlogs on this channel. I appreciate everybody, each and everybody who's watching it, and God bless you guys. And do comment and subscribe and share these vlogs if they're helpful for anybody in your family, in your social circle. And let me be very honest with you, a lot more interactive and more dynamic and know-how vlogs are going to come to you. Mil gaya, baby? I came back safe, not to worry. I was telling people that you were waiting for me. I got them. I love you, Veera. Niche aaja. Yeah, that's my house again. That's a beautiful space. We are calling home now, slowly and steadily. These are the shells. These are the shells that Veer and Samriddhi collected from the beach. That's Samriddhi's. That's mine, of course. Oh my God. So I'm going to end this vlog here right now. Again, another POV vlog from my Meta glasses. I still look young though, you know. I am a grown man. I am a grown man. I do what I want. Cut. My daughter wants. Of course. Daughters are beautiful. She's beautiful. ये पतला हो रहा है.
उसको ने प्रॉमिस करा है.
क्या प्रॉमिस करा है?
कि
English.
2 o'clock I will wake her up, take a bath with her, then take her to the airport. Jesse,
You want to drop at the airport?
I will come back and then I will sleep.
So give me a mitha. I love you the most. You know, when you were born, you know, I look at your face and something happened inside my body. It's called being a father. Actually, I'm not your father, you know. You never considered me your father. क्या बोल रहे हो?
My best friend.
My best friend. Who's your best friend?
आप.
God bless you, my boy. Chalo. Good night, guys. Har Har Mahadev. God bless you.